For over 20 years, SimClim has been a trusted tool for climate change education and academic research, referenced in more than 150 peer-reviewed publications. Today we are bringing this powerful climate modelling engine into the ArcGIS environment, giving educators an engaging way to transform complex climate science into hands-on student activities. SimClim transforms complex IPCC climate models and GCM ensembles into accessible, actionable insights, allowing students from a diverse range of academic disciplines to visualize data, test adaptation strategies, and bridge the gap between complex global climate science and practical, localized applications. Designed to enrich the university and secondary school learning environment, SimClim Toolkit for ArcGIS transforms ArcGIS Pro into an active learning platform. It seamlessly integrates into your existing courses, making it ideal for interactive classroom demonstrations, hands-on lab sessions, or independent student research assignments. The platform supports progressive learning with genuine curriculum longevity. It is perfectly fit for purpose for introductory environmental courses all the way through to advanced master's and PhD thesis research. As students continue using the software year over year, they build on their proficiency to explore increasingly sophisticated climate and impact scenarios. By actively manipulating variables like temperature, precipitation, and sea level rise, learners move beyond passive listening, significantly improving knowledge retention. Here's what your educators and students can investigate and discover natively within ArcGIS. Using the Climate Scenario Generator, students can instantly create spatial layers for baseline or future projections across multiple climate variables such as temperature and precipitation using the latest CMIP6 data. Students can select any year up to 2100 using a single climate model or an ensemble of patterns, with optional percentile outputs to account for uncertainty. Layers are added directly to the active map, letting them immediately leverage the full analytical power of ArcGIS Pro. Site-specific scenario generators. Instead of relying on broad regional averages, students can use the site-specific climate and sea level rise scenario generators to pinpoint risks for exact geographic coordinates. This allows students to generate precise, data-driven scenario outputs for their local campus, a historical landmark, or an array of points for a project, showing them how global trends manifest in their own communities. Historical time series. Using the built-in time series viewer, students can work directly with historical weather records and databases. They can chart, aggregate, and calculate long-term normals to establish a reliable baseline for projects, and learn to perturb historical data to see how past trends might shift under future climate change simulations. Extreme events. Using the Extreme Event Generator, you can guide students to stress test regional resilience against climate hazards. By taking verified historical storm, drought, or rainfall records and perturbing them against future climate scenarios, students can discover how climate change amplifies the frequency and intensity of extreme risks. Impact models. SimClim Toolkit goes beyond basic weather data by supporting multi-scale, sector-specific learning. Students can evaluate agricultural, ecological, and resource resilience by running built-in models to calculate local degree days for energy demand, simulate rainwater tank efficiency, or run environmental water balance models. Data availability. To maximize valuable instruction time, SimClim has available a comprehensive library of high-quality, pre-processed country and regional level spatial datasets available for purchase. This eliminates the need for complex, time-consuming data manipulation, so students can jump straight into analysis, simulation, and discovery. Whether your students are learning spatial analytics or conducting postgraduate research, SimClim Toolkit for ArcGIS transforms climate science into an accessible, interactive, and deeply engaging educational journey. Equip tomorrow's climate leaders with best-in-class tools like SimClim Toolkit for ArcGIS.